Hey guys, what's up? This is Manjeet here and welcome back to my channel. Today is Christmas Day, so a very and happy Merry Christmas to all of you guys. I know that I haven't been doing videos again because I have a lot of exams. So that is the reason I haven't been putting any stuff right now on YouTube. You guys have already seen the title and you guys know that I'll be unboxing the Realme U1. So here I have the box, the Realme U1. So this is kind of a big deal right now because this phone is the only phone which comes in about 12,000 rupees if you guys have purchased it from Amazon, and I got this for my dad. So I'm so happy, and here basically is the phone. So it does come with a very accenty yellow color. This is something which I'm excited about. So I'll be unboxing this and I'll be seeing what phone we'll be getting. Of course, the surprise is already gone if you guys are following me on my Facebook or in my Instagram ID, because I have already shown you guys the phone. But still, let's unbox it right now. So let's unbox. You guys, I'm so happy, and I hope that it doesn't fall from my hand though. And we're greeted with the phone. Oh damn, no, this is just the cover. Anyways, so here we have the cover and here is the phone. I'm so happy. Look at the color, you guys. Looks really good. Here is the phone and here you have the covers or whatever it is. So let me just open this out. Interesting. So this here is just a page. I'll leave this off. Realme. That looks good. So here we have Realme. The instructions, which I'm not interested in reading at all. So I'm just keeping this aside. And here we have the case. So well, basically this here is the silicone case you guys get. And this does have some bluish accents, if you guys can tell. Because I can generally tell that there are some bluish accents over here, which just looks really good and will complement extremely well with the phone. I know I'm being careless with this because okay, so here is the phone. It looks good. It looks really, it has a nice hefty feel to it. Let's keep that aside as well. And here we have the charging brick, which is, surprise surprise, has only 2.0. so that is something which I'm not excited about that much, but still I don't know, maybe it will be a good initiation. So here we have the adapter. Adapter looks good, shows out that it should have another plug, but this may be for the US variant. I don't know about that. And this might be about the US variant. Keeping that aside, so here we have everything in the box. So keeping this aside, let's now unwrap the phone. Oh god, it looks, whoa, it looks really shiny and good. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness. The Brave Blue variant is amazing to look at. Turn this around. I've just thrown the plastic away, and here you can see the phone. Looks really good. There is a temper glass. So there is a temper glass, which is nice to know. I not have any problems. So another thing is the color. The color is one of my favorites. Blue color has been one of my favorites the moment I've got my LG G6. If you guys have seen that, I'll be linking that description on the annotations above, so you guys can see that as well. Blue is kind of my color. I love blue colors. I wish that OnePlus will have a blue color or a twilight phone like this. I didn't like the thunder lavender purple. I don't know why, but it just isn't suitable to me. Anyways, regardless of that, just take another gander over this phone. Whoa, look at the fingerprint scanner, and here we have a little bit of silver. Looks really good. This is basically chamfered. If you guys cannot tell this, it basically feels like non-glossy part of this phone. This is extremely glossy and fingerprinty at the same time. Here we have the speaker grills. It looks good. The 2.0 charging slot, and then you get 2 mic cancellations and a headphone jack. Now the Realme branding is inside. It doesn't have any texture. That's nice. So well, yeah, well, let's boot up this phone now. It does give you a shot like the iPhone XR. If you guys have seen that phone, this does feel like that. Anyways, let's just boot this up and see what happens. So as this boots up, I'm getting ready to set it up. Okay guys, so yeah, well, that's basically the unboxing. Now let me just set this up quickly so that I can give you a full review of this phone. And now everything's set and everything looks dapper. It really looks amazing. Let me just open something up so that you guys can see the notch, the teardrop notch over here. It looks extremely well illuminated, almost like the OnePlus 6T, if you guys have seen that. And yeah, in the hand it feels extremely good. Also has dual SIM capabilities and also has a memory card slot, which is kind of interesting for this kind of phone. So yeah, well, I got the 64 gigs 4 gigs of RAM variant, so I'm happy with that. Let me see what it's running on. If you guys can see this, it's running on the 8.1.0, so that's like Oreo, and it's running on that. I am excited as hell for this phone. So yeah, well, let's go on with the review. It already has 92% of battery. That is something which I am excited about. Now a little close up of this phone. Dad is gonna be psyched. So I just clicked a picture of myself, and this is with the blur on portrait mode. If you guys can see that, I am really happy with the camera. 25 megapixel front whopping camera. It looks really good. The edges are almost impeccable. So basically you guys can see there are some notable differences which you will be getting. Overall, I am happy with this phone. So this is another one which I took in this phone, and this also looks extremely well illuminated. The AI filter looks good. Sorry for looking so crappy right now, but I'm just excited to upload this video as fast as possible. So this has a 13 megapixel camera here, and then you have the 2 megapixel over here, and it feels extremely good. I cannot imagine that a phone which costs almost 14,000 rupees or something like that has a camera which looks really good. The selfie camera on the other hand has a whopping 25 megapixel camera, which I can't even imagine that the OnePlus camera is just a 16 megapixel and does fairly as good. So it's all about the pixels nowadays. So basically I have clicked some pictures which I'm gonna show you guys now. So I have got some amazing shots with the Realme U1 which I have over here. So excited to share it with you guys. If you guys have seen my stories on Christmas Eve, you guys would have seen all the pictures that I've taken was from this phone. And yes, it did some amazing job. So let's slide away to the video and transition.
About 2,000 years ago, in a small town called Nazareth, there was a little house where lived a young Jewish girl named Mary.
Take another gander of this phone. You guys can see that it's extremely good and a little bit smudgy because I've been using it on my oily hands, but needless to say, this feels very unique. The only gripe I have is the 2.0 jack which is there. The charge won't be that speedy, and the notch doesn't bother me that much again because I'm habitual with the OnePlus 6T. So here we have the Realme U1. This does look amazing. I have switched to the OnePlus 6T for this video for this slow-mo video, because come on, it will be stupid enough not to. And you guys can see that I have the Brave Blue version over here, and it really looks brave for some strange reason, and it's smudgy after I have really tried my level best to get rid of all the scuffs. And needless to say, this phone looks really amazing. Look at the dual camera and the shine over here. It's such an amazing phone. I can't even imagine that people are getting this phone for almost 12,000 rupees or 14,000 rupees, whatever the price range is. Of course, I have the 4 gig 64 gig storage, so that is something which I don't think will have any impact, generally speaking, because 1 gigs of RAM and 32 gigs of storage extra will be basically nothing else. I just can't get it to shine perfectly. You guys can see this, and it does look amazing. If you guys are literally into glossy phones, which I am into, this does look amazing. So yeah, well, basically that's basically it. I'm just so happy with this phone. It looks really good, and Dad is so happy. Dad literally just leaped out of his chair when he got this phone, and he was literally almost on the verge of crying, because you guys know that, look at my fingers, you guys, look at my fingers. It's still, the color is still out, and it looks really good. So thank you guys for watching this video. I do hope that you guys liked it. Give a thumbs up if you liked it. I'm so happy with this phone, and I can't wait to check out more of this content, more of this phone's diversity, and I'll be posting another review after a month or so. And regarding the giveaway that I was having, I have concluded that the date of 31st December is kind of, you know, it's kind of like old yearish. So I think I'll be giving this phone, I'll be giving the lavender purple someone from the comment section right now, and the person, you guys have already seen him. He has been texting all around. And so thank you guys for watching this video. I do hope that you guys like this video, and of course do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys are new, and of course follow me on Instagram, social media, anywhere, wherever it's happening. And yeah, well, basically that's it, and this is Manjeet, and peace out.